Morning students. Today we are discuss about a topic torque experienced by an electric dipole in the uniform electric field. Today we discuss a topic torque experienced by an electric dipole in the uniform electric field. Let us consider. Let us consider the dipole AB. AB. The dipole moment B. The dipole moment B placed in a uniform electric field E. Placed in a uniform electric field E. The charge, there are two charge particles at the point A, minus Q charge, at the point B, plus Q charge. The distance, the midpoint O, the distance between O to A distance A, O to B distance A. Let us consider the electric dipole. The electric dipole placed in a uniform magnetic field. The axis, the electric field axis, what the axis? Theta, and the angle theta. The charge plus Q, charge plus Q experienced in a force. The charge plus Q experience a force F is equal to QE. What do you mean Q? The electric force F is equal to QE. The plus Q charge here experience in a force F is equal to QE. Electric force F is equal to Q is the charge, E is the electric field. Let us consider the electric force F is equal to QE. The minus Q charge experienced a force at the point A minus QE. Here the charge minus Q, electric field E. Here F is equal to minus QE. There are two charges plus Q and then minus Q. A experience a force plus Q experience a force plus QE minus Q experience a force minus QE. There are two forces. First equation 1, equation 2. There are two forces. The forces F1 and then F1 and then F2. There are two forces, magnitude equal. Magnitude means value. Here QE, here QE equal. But the direction, the force direction, the direction, this minus Q, this direction. There are two directions are opposite direction. There are two opposite direction. Here the force cancel to each other. Plus QE and then minus QE. So the total force F is equal to 0 because there are two forces opposite direction. The total net force F is equal to 0. The force on dipole is 0. Two equal and unlike parallel forces are not passing through the same point. Two equal and unlike parallel forces are not passing through the same point because passing through the different point. Two forces acting at different points will constitute a couple. There are two opposite forces cancel to each other. The two forces constitute a couple. And a dipole experience a torque here producing on the torque produced. This torque tends to rotate the dipole. The torque tends to rotate the dipole. The dipole rotating on the electric field. The electric field lines uniform field are equally spaced and point in the same direction. The total torque symbol, the symbol called torque, total torque is equal to any one of the force multiply perpendicular distance. Here any one of the force, here plus QE and then minus QE, we will take any one plus QE or minus QE. Okay, next here in the perpendicular distance, the perpendicular distance called 2a sin theta. Perpendicular distance, the dipole distance A and A is equal to 2a, the angle is equal to 2a sin theta. Okay, here the torque is equal to any one of the force here taken plus QE dot perpendicular distance 2a sin theta, 2a sin theta. On the equation, torque is equal to E into 2qa sin theta. Already known, the 2qa called electric dipole moment. The letter denote from P E sin theta. Here, torque is equal to P E sin theta. The vector form, torque vector is equal to B vector cross E vector. The torque maximum torque theta is equal to 90 degree. For some example, here sin 90 is equal to, what's the value? 90 is equal to 1. Okay, next here torque is equal to B. Here minimum is equal to 0 degree. Sin 0 is equal to 0. Here torque is equal to 0. Maximum at theta is equal to 90 degree. Minimum at theta is equal to 0 degree. Maximum at a time torque is equal to P. Minimum at a time torque is equal to 0. Thus consider the torque experienced in a uniform electric field. Okay, maximum torque in 90 degree. The torque 90 degree, theta is equal to 90 degree. Minimum the torque is equal to 0. The torque 0 is equal to 0 at a time the dipole parallel on electric field, maximum at a time the torque perpendicular on electric field. Good morning students. Next we are to the topic electrostatic potential. Here let plus Q be the charge placed at a point O. There are 2 points, one A and then B. Or in the electric field, there are 2 points A and B in the electric field. The plus Q charge at the point O at the 2 points A and B are placed in the electric field. The distance between A and B distance dx. Okay, next the plus Q to B distance x. Okay, next when unit positive charge is moved from A to B. Some example here, unit positive charge plus Q placed on A. The plus Q charge have to move from the point A to B. Against the electric force. The plus Q charge moving from the point A to B, the charge do not move because the opposite direction, electric field lines act in the opposite direction. So against the two charges, against the electric field, here the charge moving from A to B, here applying from some other force, the work done is potential difference between the 2 points A and B. Potential difference between 2 points TV is equal to the work moving from the charge moving from A to B. What do you mean electric potential? The electric potential in an electric field is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinitive distance to that point against the electric force. The work done is moving a unit positive charge from A to B. Here work done dV is equal to work done dV is equal to E dot dx. Here work done against the electric field. Here applying the symbol E. Here electric potential E is equal to minus dV by dx. Electric potential E is equal to minus dV by dx. Again the definition, electric potential is defined as amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against the electric force. The work done is moving a unit positive charge from A to B. That work done is equal to minus dV by dx.